Okay, so I've put in 3 cups of almonds. I actually roasted them for 10 minutes on a large sheet pan just so that it brings out some of the natural oils and it'll taste a lot more delicious. I put in 3 tablespoons of canola oil and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to put the lid on. It makes a fun, happy sound. And I'm going to turn the knob until it gets to grind. Okay, so this is going to make delicious almond butter. And if the nuts start to get stuck up on the side, I'm going to use this thing here. It's called a tamper. And what you do is you just open up the top. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. And what's cool about this is it never actually touches the blade, but it just helps you when you're doing nut butter and stuff to make sure that everything keeps blending. So here goes. I'm gonna put this lid back on, hit go, and here we go. So it'll take 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And so you can see it's starting to get stuck up on the sides. Oh, it's going on by itself. But I'm going to use the tamper to help it. There you go. Whoa! That was so cool! There you go. Delicious almond butter. That's it.